Now I go slow, you full zoom you go. Why? Because Premiere Pro has the option of speeding up the video. So that is what we are going to do now. Okay, enjoy. Macha, one round macha. Come, we'll go. The bride and groom have arrived. So, single hand claps. New normal. New normal. Good. What do you have?
I had masala puri now batting.
Tomato bath, ragi halwa.
See, my mom is taking advantage. See, once the video ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಬೇಕು. Good morning, Shubhodaya, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 20th November 2020, as you can read from the title. That is in the evening, so this is morning right now. The time is around 12ish, I guess. I'm not pretty sure what the time is. Where am I? What am I doing?
Let me take you for a ride.
Confused with the title and sudden shots. Well, to give you a little precursor to the wedding that I'm going to, I have to tell you this story. So, first and foremost,
Dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum. Tonight, let me take you for a ride, for a ride.
my diet is actually working. Preju, if you're watching this, my diet is actually working. You know how I noticed this? It's been pretty long since I wore this my riding gear, and I have worn this from past 4 to 5 years, and it has never felt this loose. Like it is literally loose. If you can see, riding gear should actually fit you very snugly, and I had chosen the one that fit me very snugly, but this is, if you can see, it is very loose, and I'm very happy about that. Second most thing is the wedding. Yes, I'm going to the wedding. That is in the evening. So this morning I woke up and I'm like, I have to tell this story before I go to the wedding and make a vlog. So here we are. I'm taking one round. Macha, one round. That round. One round, macha. Macha, we'll go one round and come, macha. This is something of that sort. I'm in the outskirts of Chikbalapur town bypass. So it was very long since I took my bike out and wore the riding gear and ride the bike, because wearing a riding gear and riding your bike gives you a feeling on a whole another level, and I love that feeling. So I'm also very sad that it's been so long since I've been on a long ride or something. So anyone watching from my group, please, Rohit or Gajan, please organize one ride very soon. Like, I'm not able to wait anymore. So Prashant sir's wedding is today. First of all, sir, if you're watching this, congratulations and all the best. Second of all, I met Prashant sir in my first long ride ever. This dates back somewhere around 4 to 5 years ago. I'm not very good with the dates. I hope I'm audible enough, because there's a lot of sound and wind noise coming as well. So I met Prashant sir in my first long ride ever, that I had been with my dad to Chikmagalur. So I met Prashant sir there in my first long ride, and he's such a sweet person, and he's been in many of the long rides that I've been to. Obviously, we ride with the same group. So that's how I met Prashant sir, and today is his marriage. So I'm going to the same person's marriage. So I thought I should tell you this story. It's quite a short story, but yeah. Second of all, I'm getting to ride my bike after so long. My bike, I could literally feel my bike thinking that you have not taken me out, you have not taken me out. So here we are, taking one round, macha, one round, macha. Come, we'll go. I am riding slow only. You will see, zoom, zoom, zoom. How did you like that B-roll? One thing I've noticed, I was watching my videos the other day, and one thing I noticed is missing factor is that B-roll. So I'll start adding a little of B-roll, and with time I'll get better and better and better. So that's the story for now. Let's quickly get on the bike and head on.
Crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight.
Okay, we are done with the ride for now. Okay. Yeah, okay, so now few of you might ask this question as to why do I have to wear a complete riding gear for riding such a short distance, or one round macha as I call it. It's just that it was very long since I rode my motorcycle, and riding a motorcycle with complete gear, I don't know what others, for me it's an addiction. It feels really nice, and that feeling you get is a whole new level. I just love my riding gear. I hope whoever watches this agree with me. If you do, hit that like button. Now before that, I was going through YouTube analytics and I found that nearly 65% of the viewership is not subscribed to the channel. Guys, come on, subscribe to the channel. I know you like my videos, okay? Give a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, let me go get back to normal attire and then meet you in the evening while going to the wedding. One question: how was the B-roll? How's the B-roll? I'm going to add many more of such B-roll or whatever you want to call it. That shit I'm going to include a lot in future videos. So look forward to it, and please do consider subscribing. Face recognition with the face mask becomes much more difficult every time you have to type in long passwords, especially when you have long passwords. That's a pain. Okay, time to head for the wedding. I don't know what I'll be shooting there because I don't want to put anyone in awkward situation, as I always tell. So if possible, I'll show you some of the clips, and if not, I'll talk about it. I'm pretty late. I have to still buy a bouquet, so let me get in the car, go, and then we'll see how the time goes by. The wedding is at Yelahanka. That's somewhere around 60 kilometers from house. So yeah, we've got a distance to cover. The time is almost 6:30. The wedding starts at 7. So hope I can meet some of my rider friends after a long time. Let's see how that goes. Until the next stop, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Okay, reached the place. No sync for today. Social distancing is well maintained. They're following all the rules, so I can hope everything is going perfectly. We are a bit early, so we are waiting for the bride and the groom to
to come on the stage.
Fancy come on the stage. So yeah, I'll show you once how everything is maintained. That's how the social distancing is being maintained. Everyone is with masks, so everything is fine for now. As you can see, the bride and groom have arrived. So single hand claps. That is called single hand claps. Finally, they seem very happy and I'm very happy. Waiting for a few of my other group members so that we can all catch up after a long time and talk about riding plans, hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, that is how it is going. See you after some time. Time to go and wish the bride and the groom. Met all my riding friends, they all are here. So one is here and one more is here. So we're meeting after a long time. Bouquet is on. Yeah. Oh, finally good lighting. This is called good lighting. This is again bright. We're standing in the queue line. Queue to be. So that's the bride and the groom. New normal. New normal.
The way you are giving like whatever you want to.
meet on gaming.
Promoting, man.
Yeah, you have to promote. It's good.
Tissue.
Good. Good. What do you have?
I had masala puri till now, batting.
Oh. What is very important? Why is that?
Everything you need. For
Yeah.
everything. It's okay, put in your pocket.
Done with lunch. Oh, done with dinner. It's not afternoon, it's evening. So done with dinner. Dinner was really nice. I had little of rice, which I'm technically speaking not supposed to, but I did end up having one soup. So practically speaking, it became a cheat meal. Maya bhai, only one day after long, because this is like you can't do anything about it. So waiting for my friends to finish their lunch and then time to head back. On the way, I have to take a burger for my sister because it's been long since she had from McDonald's. So that is happening.
No, God, don't say. You'll post on YouTube.
Just that it does not have any kind of a light on the top.
I'm just taking advantage here and
Popcorn is
making.
there. I'll tell you the menu. Tomato bath, ragi halwa.
See, my mom is taking advantage. My group is actually subscribing to my mother's channel. So yeah.
Masala dosa is also there. Nani style.
Editing almost done. Doing the outro shot now. Okay, thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Come on. It does not cost anything. Subscribe. ಸಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಒತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡಿಸು. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್.